Hi everyone, we're here at SOTI Experience Day in Le Mans, France. SOTI Experience Days are a great way for us to connect with our customers and partners, build relationships, and share important information and updates on the solution that help solve some of the biggest business mobility challenges. To start off, we shared one of our latest features of the SOTI ONE Platform and the product roadmaps. This included hands-on training sessions with our sales engineers on SOTI XSight and SOTI Connect. Obviously, I have to mention the exclusive opportunity to take a ride around the racetrack with a top professional driver. So yeah, this created even more excitement. It allowed our guests to experience the rush of a racetrack. We had a great time meeting our customers and partners, giving them the latest updates on the SOTI ONE Platform, and obviously having a lot of fun. So thank you to everyone who came out and made this event a success.